the hidden giant of the universe. In the vast, silent ocean of the cosmos, galaxies float like islands of light, majestic spirals and glowing ellipses scattered across the dark. But among them all, one stands above the rest, a monster of unimaginable scale. A galaxy so massive it defies every sense of proportion, every limit of comprehension. Meet IC 1101, the largest galaxy ever found, stretching over 6 million light-years across. IC 1101 could swallow our entire Milky Way and still have room for dozens more galaxies beside it. It's not just big, it's colossal. It's a city of stars so vast that light, the fastest thing in existence, would take 6 million years just to cross from one edge to the other. In this journey, we'll explore how this cosmic giant was born, how it grew to such extraordinary proportions, and what its existence tells us about the universe itself. So fasten your cosmic seatbelt. We're about to travel to the farthest reaches of known space to gaze upon a true titan of the universe. A galaxy beyond imagination. Galaxies come in many shapes and sizes. The Milky Way is a grand spiral, about 100,000 light-years wide. Impressive, yes, but only average in the galactic family. Andromeda, our nearest neighbor, is roughly twice as large, but IC 1101, it's in an entirely different league. Located nearly 1.04 billion light-years away, in the constellation Virgo, IC 1101 resides at the heart of the galaxy cluster, Abell 2029, a dense cosmic metropolis containing thousands of galaxies. And right in the middle, this enormous elliptical giant reigns supreme, dominating its surroundings like a gravitational monarch. Its size is almost impossible to visualize. If our solar system were placed inside IC 1101, we'd be lost in its glow. Our entire Milky Way would be just a small patch of stars within its core region. Astronomers estimate that IC 1101 contains over 100 trillion stars, compared to our Milky Way's modest 400 billion. Its central bulge alone glows brighter than entire galaxies. It's so luminous, so all-consuming, that even powerful telescopes struggle to distinguish where it begins and where it ends. The birth of a galactic titan. But how does something like this come into being? How can a galaxy grow to such impossible proportions? The answer lies in cosmic cannibalism, the process by which galaxies merge and devour one another over billions of years. In the early universe, galaxies were small and irregular, chaotic collections of gas and dust, but over time, gravity pulled them together. Small galaxies merged to form larger ones collided again, fusing into even greater structures. IC 1101 is the ultimate result of this process, a cosmic survivor, built from the remains of countless smaller galaxies consumed over eons. Each merger fed its hunger, adding more stars, more dark matter, and more gravitational strength. In its youth, it may have looked like a spiral, bright and active, forming new stars in glowing arms, but as it consumed its neighbors, its structure changed, becoming smooth, rounded and massive, like a giant sphere of ancient starlight. Today, IC 1101 is an elliptical galaxy, old and quiet, filled mostly with red dying stars, relics of the past. Its days of starbirth are long over. What remains is a monument to cosmic evolution, the end result of the universe's hunger to grow, the monster at its heart. Every large galaxy hides a secret at its center, a supermassive black hole in our Milky Way, that's Sagittarius A*, about 4 million times the mass of the Sun. But IC 1101's black hole, it could be more than 40 billion times the Sun's mass, one of the largest ever known. Imagine it, a gravitational abyss so powerful that not even light can escape. Its event horizon could stretch across the entire solar system, swallowing planets, stars, and space itself. This cosmic monster sits silently at the core, its immense gravity shaping the galaxy around it. It's believed that black holes and galaxies grow together. As galaxies merge, so do their central black holes, feeding on gas, dust, and even stars that stray too close. Over time, IC 1101's black hole may have consumed entire clusters of suns, releasing bursts of radiation so powerful that they once lit up half the cluster. But now, like the galaxy itself, it slumbers, quiet, immense waiting. The city of trillions of suns. Let's imagine we could travel inside IC 1101. The view would be breathtaking, and unlike anything we've ever seen, instead of the delicate spiral arms we see in our Milky Way, you'd be surrounded by a golden haze of stars stretching endlessly in all directions. There would be no clear structure, no pattern, just an ocean of ancient starlight. Most of these stars are old, yellow, orange, or red giants nearing the ends of their lives. Many of the galaxy's once lively blue stars have long since burned out, leaving behind white dwarfs and neutron stars, cosmic embers fading in the dark. But scattered among them are globular clusters, dense balls of thousands of stars, orbiting like satellites around this galactic empire. And beyond them lies a vast dark matter halo, invisible yet immense, extending far beyond what any telescope can see. This dark matter, making up nearly 85% of IC 1101's total mass, is the unseen glue that binds it together. Without it, the galaxy would simply fly apart. The galactic environment, Abell 2029, EC 1101, isn't isolated. It rules over an entire galaxy cluster, a cosmic city of unimaginable proportions. The Abell 2029 cluster contains thousands of galaxies, all gravitationally bound together, swirling in a massive halo of hot gas and dark matter that spans millions of light-years. The temperature in this intergalactic medium reaches tens of millions of degrees, glowing faintly in X-rays. At the center, EC 1101 acts like a gravitational anchor, the heart around which everything else orbits. Its immense gravity influences nearby galaxies, slowly pulling them inward over billions of years. Some are already in the process of being torn apart, their stars stretched into glowing streams feeding the central giant. In the future, Abell 2029 may merge entirely into IC 1101, creating something even larger, a hypergalaxy beyond anything we've ever seen. The death of star formation. But there's a hidden sadness in IC 1101's grandeur. While it may be the largest galaxy ever discovered, it's also one of the oldest and most lifeless. Its days of creation are behind it. You see, star formation requires cold gas, hydrogen, that can collapse under gravity. But in IC 1101, nearly all that gas has been consumed or blown away by ancient explosions and radiation from its central black hole. What's left is a galaxy of ghosts, aging stars drifting through silence. Every 1,000 years or so, one may die in a spectacular supernova, lighting up a tiny corner of the galaxy. But overall, it's quiet, peaceful, eternal. In time, these stars will fade, leaving only cold remnants, black dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes. The galaxy will continue to exist, vast and dark, but its light will slowly dim. IC 1101 is both a cosmic giant and a cosmic graveyard, a monument to everything the universe once was. Who discovered it? IC 1101 was first discovered in 1790 by the British astronomer William Herschel, who catalogued it as a faint smudge of light in his telescope. He could never have imagined what he was looking at. A galaxy so far away that its light took 1 billion years to reach Earth. For centuries, it remained just a faint entry in star charts. It wasn't until the late 20th century, with the advent of modern telescopes and space observatories, that astronomers realized the true scale of what they had found. Today, data from the Hubble Space Telescope, Chandra X-ray Observatory, and ground-based arrays has revealed its incredible structure, size, and mass. Even now, we're still learning more, from how its stars move to how its black hole interacts with the surrounding gas. IC 1101 is a living laboratory, showing us what galaxies become after billions of years of evolution. The limits of observation. Here's the fascinating part. EC 1101 may not even be the largest galaxy in existence. It's simply the largest we've found. Beyond the edge of our observable universe, there could be galaxies even greater, massive clusters whose light hasn't yet reached us. The cosmos is 13.8 billion years old, but because of cosmic expansion, some regions are forever beyond our reach. EC 1101 stands as a symbol of what's possible, but not necessarily the ultimate. There may be titans far larger, hidden behind the veil of time and distance. What IC 1101 teaches us. This galaxy isn't just an astronomical record holder, it's a cosmic teacher. It shows us how galaxies evolve, from small clouds of gas to colossal elliptical giants. It demonstrates the power of gravity, the patience of time, and the inevitability of transformation. It reminds us that size and age are not the same as vitality. The Milky Way, smaller and younger, still forms new stars and planets, perhaps even life. But IC 1101 is old, serene and still, a reflection of what the universe might look like when all its energy has been spent. Someday, billions of years from now, our own galaxy could meet a similar fate, merging with Andromeda, swelling, then quieting into a single elliptical form. In that sense, IC 1101 is a glimpse of our future, the eternal light of a dying giant. So what is IC 1101? It's the largest galaxy we've ever seen, a relic of cosmic history, a monument built from the collisions and chaos of billions of years. It stands as both a triumph and a warning, showing us that even the mightiest structures in the universe have life cycles. They are born, they grow, and they fade. From Earth, IC 1101 appears as a faint smear of golden light, just another point in the endless night. But behind that faint glow lies a story stretching across time itself. A story of birth, hunger, collision, and peace. A story that ends not with an explosion, but with quiet endurance, the slow, graceful fading of a titan into eternity. The universe is vast beyond comprehension, but every galaxy, every star, every atom carries a piece of the same story, the relentless, beautiful drive of creation. And as we look up, we are reminded, we are part of that same cosmic tale.